Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a few essentials. The partial screen app is installed and updated, and you granted overlay and screen recording permissions. Once done, open the app you want to capture and set its window size. This makes alignment easier. Tap partial screen and choose Create Region. Use your finger or cursor to draw a rough box where you need it. Make sure to keep aspect ratio on or off depending on your goal. This first pass defines the area you will refine next. Now refine that region so it works smoothly. You use the grid and snap tools to lock edges to pixels, which prevents jitter. Turn on a 1px grid if you need pixel-perfect alignment. Next, tweak opacity and blur to balance visibility versus focus, and enable input pass-through if you want clicks to go through the overlay. Also assign hotkeys for start, stop, toggle overlay, and nudge. This saves time. Finally, preview the capture and test interactions so you know the region. Finish by recording a short test clip, watching for audio sync and the correct frame rate. This catches issues early. Once satisfied, save the region as a template or profile so you can reuse exact dimensions on future sessions. Make sure auto start options are set if you need repeated captures. If something goes wrong, like a black screen, pause, reopen settings, regrant screen recording and overlay permissions, then restart the app. That permission reset fixes most capture failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.